Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP. The XRP has broken down the channel, so we will just talk about that on the daily chart. And we will also watch the different indicators and the oscillators as well, and the different moving averages, and a new formation of a down channel on this daily chart, and the different formations of head and shoulder patterns. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you the long-term analysis on the XRP and the XRP with the Bitcoin pair as well. So let's start the video. First of all, I would like to show you this chart where the XRP has formed an up channel, and recently it has broken down the support of this channel. It was moving after the mid of March within this channel, and I've also placed the EMA 10 with EMA 21. This blue one is the EMA 10 and this red one is the EMA 21. At this time, the EMA 10 has crossed down and formed a bear cross with the EMA 21. That is a bearish signal. And I've also placed the moon phases indicator on this chart. This is the full moon and this is the dark moon, and the distance between one moon to another moon is called synodic cycle. That is 29.9 days long. And the most recent full moon was appeared within the channel, and the most recent dark moon was appeared downside the channel, and there was a very big distance between the support and this dark moon. That was a very strong bearish signal because it was showing that the price action can move up to this level, and the dark moon was showing that the price action can move up to this level. And there was a big distance between the support and this dark moon. That was a clear indication that the price action may break down this support. And if we watch the RSI indicator with the stochastic combination, then RSI was already in the downtrend. That was also giving the indication that the price action may move downside and it will break down the channel. And the stochastic already has given us the bear cross from the oversold zone. And if we watch these moving averages on this daily chart, then the price action was continuously being rejected by the 200 simple moving average on this daily chart. For example, here it is rejected, and here it has been rejected for the several times, and finally it has been rejected here by the 200 simple moving average, and after that it has broken down the 50 simple moving average, and after that it has broken down the 25 simple moving average, and at this time it is at 100 SMA. That's the last support of the moving averages, the simple moving average on the daily chart. If it will be broken down, then we can see a further downward move by the price action of XRP. And this is the new down channel formed by the price action of XRP, and you can see that the formation of this channel was started in April, and it is moving up and downward within this channel very well. And if it will be moved up to the support of this channel, then it will hit the 18 cents again, even though we have recently seen the spike up to 17.1 cents. But if it will be proper hitting at the support of this channel, then it will maybe again move down up to 18 cents, or maybe give another more downward spike, and it will be moved upward after that. And these are the continuously formation of the head and shoulder pattern, the bearish patterns on the daily chart. First it formed this head and shoulder pattern and completed in the month of March, and after the mid of March it started another bullish divergence and formed another head and shoulder pattern. At this time, after the formation of this head and shoulder pattern, the price action has already hit the neckline. If the price action has reached up to the neckline, it means that the head and shoulder pattern is completed. There is no further downward move is needed. However, there is possibility that the price action will move more down, like it was moved here in the month of March. And now let's move to the weekly chart. That is a long-term chart. The price action is moving in a falling wedge pattern. I have just placed the volume profile indicator on this complete price action moving within this channel. Then we can see that we have the trader's interest up to this level. That is almost 17.5 cents. And from the upside, we have the trader's interest up to this level. That is almost 30 cents. So this is a very positive indicator on this weekly chart that we have the trader's interest up to above the support of this wedge. This is the confirmation that the price action will not break down the support. And we have, from the upside, we have the interest of the traders above the resistance of this wedge. That is another confirmation that there is a possibility that the price line may try to break out, or it may break out the support, the resistance of this channel. I have also placed the Bollinger Bands on this chart, and we can see that we have the upper bands of this Bollinger Band above the resistance of the channel. It means that it will be easy for the price line to cross up this resistance of the wedge, and we have the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands above the support of the channel of this wedge. That is another confirmation that it will be easy for the price line. If it will be moved down, then it will be bounced back up to the resistance of this wedge. Now, if we watch the long-term support and resistance levels, then we have a long-term very strong support at 17.5 cents. And at this time, the price action has already hit at this support after the recent drop when it has broken down the recent channel, the upward channel. Now, we are at this support at 17.5 cents. That is not broken down. Very strong support since July 2017. It is never broken down, and I'm expecting that this time it will be again bounced from this support. And after that, we have a very strong key level resistance that is not broken out since it was broken down after August 2019. And before that, we have seen that it has been working as a very strong resistance back in 2017 as well, and it has been working as a very strong support level since August 2018 up to August 2019. Now it is working as a very strong resistance level. Once it will be broken out, then it will be really very easy for the price line to move up to the previous highest price. But before that, we have a slight strong resistance level almost at 50 cents, and after that we don't have any other significant resistance level that will stop the price line to reach up to the previous high, and that is $3 almost. But I'm expecting more than $3, up to $5 this time on the long term, when the price action will break out this resistance of 31 cents. Now let's have a look on the price analysis on the XRP with Bitcoin pair. With the XRP with Bitcoin pair has formed a very good butterfly pattern on this weekly chart, the long-term chart. This is the initial leg, and after that, the second leg is retraced up to between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. That is the first confirmation of bullish butterfly pattern. Then we have the Fibonacci projection up to 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to B leg. And this is the second confirmation, and now it has been retraced. I'm just playing this chart. I actually published this chart on 31st of May, and now the price action has finally entered or just hit the spike within this potential reversal zone, and this is the final confirmation that the bullish butterfly has been formed, as it is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci level. That is the final confirmation of the bullish butterfly pattern. Now, as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish butterfly pattern, the price action should move up from here between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection. This is the projection of A to D leg, and this can be up to 113% bullish rally. So we can set our buying area within this level, and we can set our sell targets here, and we can set our stop loss here at the maximum extent of this PRZ or potential reversal zone, or you can also use your own stop loss strategies as well. So this was the update so far by the XRP price action. If I'll have more updates about the Ripple coin, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, and do share your comments with me. I'll definitely try my best to reach out to your comments as soon as possible and to reply them. Take care. Goodbye.